Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another video. Feels like I haven't been here forever, you guys, and it has been forever. Okay guys, so in today's video we will be, as you've seen by the thumbnail, going through my November Boxycharm. If you see this under my eyes, it's these little like mask for my under eyes. My under eyes been looking like really terrible, so I decided to apply these, and it's like I have to wait for like at least 20 to 30 minutes and then I could take them off. Okay, so yes you guys, so we have our November Boxycharm. I've actually already used these products because I also post mini videos on my Instagram, so some of you do follow me on Instagram and see my videos, and some of you don't. So either way, I am doing, you know, one for Instagram and one for YouTube. So yeah you guys, so I'm really excited, so again, to be using these products. So if you want to know what kind of products I have and what I'm going to do, continue on watching. Alright you guys, so I am back. I'm sorry, I had to do my eyebrows real quick off camera. I thought somebody was here, but I guess not. I was wrong. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and dig into this box and show you guys what I got in this month's Boxycharm. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Was it 4? I don't remember. I think it was 4. I don't exactly remember, but let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is it? Oh yeah, it was 5. I forgot. It was 5 too. Yeah, because I received one of these. Well, you know what? Let me go ahead and show you. So we got 5 full-size products. So we have the Starry Eyes. This is in Indulgent Self-Warming Eye Mask. I actually already tried this. It's really good. Then we have a palette from Dominique Cosmetics. We have the Dose of Colors, one of their lipsticks, and this is in the shade Nude Mood. And we have a Kypris, I don't know. It's a glow serum, and we have one of Boxycharm's 2 brushes, which they're pretty cool. And then we also got some undercover lightweight concealer, which are these little samples. Obviously I've already used them, I just had to tape it up so you know they wouldn't fall out. But yeah, that's what we received in November's Boxycharm. I actually got an October one, but I didn't get to film that one, but I think it's kind of too late to do that one anyway, so that is okay. Okay, so obviously the first thing we're gonna go in first is for the eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my eyes with my favorite concealer, and this is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I'm in the shade Medium Dark. This, you guys, has been one of my favorite concealers so far. I have to get a sponge. Like literally, it has become my favorite concealer. So if you haven't tried it, I suggest that you do it. I think it's really cheap too. I went to Ulta Beauty and bought some, and they were on sale for like $6 each, but I think they're like 12 something. But either way, that's really cheap still to me, so I think is a win. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and go in with the Dominique Cosmetic palette, and this is in, well, this is, the name of the palette is, if I pronounce this wrong, don't make fun of me, okay? This is, so still, I don't freaking know. Y'all could just read it yourselves, but that's, and it has 8 cool tone shades. Oh, you guys, if you have not seen my Instagram post on this palette, I suggest y'all do. Like, this shade right here is freaking bomb. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and do a swatch for y'all. And voila, that is like pigment right there. I like that. That's really, really good. It's really, really good. And I think that's Eternal Light. Eternal Light. So we're gonna go ahead and go into this palette. I'm gonna decide, I think I'm gonna do something like really different from what I did from my Instagram post. So first color I'm gonna go in with is with Zero Gravity, in which this is like a very like dark toned color. We're gonna use this and apply this on over the eye. But you guys, this palette, since I've already used it, it is really pigment. The colors are so beautiful. Oh my gosh, so easy to apply and very blendable. So yes, girl. Time to take off these babies. Stop. I think I had to leave them on for like at least 20 minutes or so, but ooh, I feel better. Let me go ahead and just like, there we go. Okay, let's go ahead and finish this. I'm gonna go ahead and do just one eye and then do the other eye off camera. Just trying to get as much color as we can on here. All right, so on top of that, we're gonna go in with a Storm Dust, which this is like a more darker orange. It's well, yeah, a little more darker orange than what it is from this side. And this color is called Storm Dust. Did I just say that, or I don't know? I don't know. And we're just gonna go ahead and apply that right on top of that brown we just did. All right, so I am done with that. So what I'm going to do is grab a different brush and add some concealer to my lid. We're gonna do like a half crease. There we go, so that's a half crease right there. And next, what we're going to do, we're gonna apply Mystic Ice, in which is this blue shade right here, and we're gonna apply that right on top where we did where we just applied that concealer. Oh, and the oh, that is pigment right there. And I'm gonna go back into that brown and just blend those two out together so they could, like, you know, match or something. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add some, do an eyeliner today. Oh, yeah. So let's add some eyeliner to this. And right now what I'm using is the I don't know, the Kaha Wink stamp. This is a wing eyeliner stamp. You guys, I know how to do eyeliner. It just it's laziness right now that's catching me. Okay, and then from there I'll just fix it. there we go. So I'm going to add some mascara. This is the CoverGirl Flourish by Lash Mask. Whatever. Okay, so I actually, before we even apply lashes, I actually have a subscription with this company that gives 4 lashes, well, depending on how many lashes you want. But it's a subscription of lashes, and the one I chose, you get 4 pairs for $20-something, like $19-something, but it's more like $20 a month. So I got my first box, and this company is called On Fleek Box. And in this box, I got 4 lashes. Of course, I already looked at them. They're really pretty. I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah, so it comes with 4 pairs of lashes. And it's a step up your lash game with your gorgeous new lashes. And I'm a newbie, so I'm really excited to wear these. So I will be applying these today. We have 4 of them. Okay, I already said that. We have Baddie, Sassy, Chardonnay, I don't know. And then we have Lavender. So far, Lavender and Sassy are one of my favorites right now. I'm gonna have to try these before I even say I like them. So but yeah, like Lavender has caught my eye, so we're gonna go ahead and use these today. So we're just gonna go ahead and apply these. How to make sure like what side goes in what. Okay, let's see what this. Oh, baby, yes. Oh my god. You guys. Okay, guys, so I'm done with this eye. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off this camera and do the other eye off camera, and I will see you right back to finish the entire cut out. Okay. All right, and let's go to highlight. And for highlight, we're gonna go in with the Morphe X no, not Bretman. Why am I thinking about the Astros? Oh, whatever. But it's the dude. Bretman Rock, whatever. Okay, you know what I mean. I think I know what I mean. I think, yeah, you know what I mean. If you see this palette, yes, this is the highlight palette. So ooh, baby, yes, I love it. All right, so last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and close out this video. Not really, I'm just playing. Okay, so last thing is well, not really, it's not last thing. We're going in with a dose of colors. This is in the color Nude Mood. We're gonna put some lipstick on. So I'm gonna grab the palette, go back in and, you know, color the under eyes. And we're gonna go in with that blue. All right, for setting spray, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe X Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist. All right, you guys, so if you can see me, this is the final look on the November's Boxycharm box. You guys, I can't believe we made a half full look on this whole thing, literally with eyes, and the face, the lipstick, you know, it's a really good deal. You know, you pay $21 a month, I think, for a Boxycharm with full-size products, and I think it's a really good deal. So I really love it. I like it so much, and I'm happy. I've actually been doing this since July, but I actually stopped. I don't remember when I stopped, but I just started again. I had to deactivate my account, my subscription, but I'm back again. So there will for sure be more Boxycharm videos coming your way every month. So I hope you guys are excited about that. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys liked this video and this look, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, leave some comments below, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. I don't know why I sing if I can't even sing. Literally, Giovanni tells me every day, you can't sing, so you need to quit. But I refuse to quit. Okay, so yeah, you guys, so I hope you guys liked this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.